Hey guys, how to set child lock on your iPhone. He or she cannot switch the application. Tap on Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Accessibility. Scroll down. Tap on Guided Access. Tap on Guided Access again. Then navigate to the app the child want to use. Triple tap lock button to activate. Tap on Start. Set a passcode. Verify the passcode. Guided access started. You can't navigate to other app until you end the guided access. To end this, you have to triple tap the lock button. Enter your passcode. Then tap on End.
Follow for more tips.